Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever I may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Lubinda with another video. And in this video, we're answering the 2025 Paper 1 Internal Proving the Identity question. This is question 6. It reads, prove the identity sine theta squared plus 1 over sec theta squared plus 1 over cosec theta squared is equivalent to 2 minus cos theta squared. And this 2025 paper was carrying 4 marks as per custom. But what you have to know about this paper, as we can see already, we know that we need to pick the left hand side. Another thing to note was this was one of the easiest identity questions. It was so simple, this question. You are going to see as we start answering. So I'm going to say left hand side. We say left hand side. Left hand side. Like that. Then we say sine theta squared plus 1 over cos theta squared plus 1 over sec theta squared. That's supposed to be something else, right? It's supposed to be plus 1 over sec theta squared, then plus 1 over cosecant or cosec theta squared, like that. As you can see that was the right hand side of the identity. Then to continue, we are going to simplify, and then right here already you can even know where the answer is going. Right here, if you know your identities pretty well, you would say something like this. You would say sec theta squared is equal to what? 1 divided by cos theta squared, and then cosec theta squared, cosec theta squared is equal to 1 divided by what? Sine theta squared. Upon you knowing these two, you need to have the idea that you can say is equal to, let's write this in some green ink, is equal to what? Sine theta squared. Okay, then here you know that they are saying 1 divided by sec theta squared, so already you know that they are saying plus cos theta squared. I know what I've done may be confusing to some. I'm going to explain. Then they are saying 1 divided by cosec theta squared. You know it is plus sine theta squared, like that. Then to proceed, you're going to say is equal to 2 sine theta squared, then plus cos theta squared. I hope you can see where this is going. Then you know that sine theta squared is equal to 1 minus, that's not the right identity to use. Oh yeah, it's the right one, sorry. I just wanted to change the ink, but I'll just leave it like this. So it's equal to 1 minus cos theta squared. So we're going to plug it in there. So it's going to become is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus cos theta squared, then a plus cos theta squared. Then you are going to say is equal to 2 minus 2 cos theta squared. That is after distributing the 2 in those brackets, then plus cos theta squared. Then here you can see that you can simplify, where you just remain with a negative cos theta squared, because there is a negative 2 there. We'll get the sign of the bigger number, so it's with 2 minus cos theta squared. Simple as that. You get 4 marks. Simple as that. Then you would have to conclude, therefore that and that. But we ended here where I said is equal to sine theta squared. Okay, so I was saying that is equal to, let me write this in small ink so I don't run out of space. So is equal to sine theta squared plus we said 1 over sec theta squared, and we know sec theta squared is 1 over cos theta squared. So I write it like this. Say 1 divided by 1 over cos theta squared, then plus 1 divided by 1 over sin theta squared to mean cosec theta squared. Then you would say is equal to sin theta squared, like that. And then we will say plus 1 over 1 multiplied by cos theta squared over 1 plus 1 over 1 multiplied by sin theta squared over 1. When we reach this point, we would say is equal to, already we can see that there is a sin theta squared there and there's another sin theta squared there, and if we were to simplify here, we're going to have 2 sin theta squared, then you're going to say plus cos theta squared, and this is what we ended up with at this stage here. You can see that we ended up with that at that stage. So you would have to do this extra work in here for you to end up at that stage there, which is very unnecessary, right? So you'd say is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus cos theta squared plus cos theta squared. Then we'll have is equal to a 2 minus 2. Okay, so 2 minus 2 cos theta squared, then plus cos theta squared. And then we're going to have is equal to 2 minus cos theta squared. This is your final answer. This is the right hand side. You say therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proven. Quite easy identity for last year internal. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Cornelius Tubinda with another video, and bye bye.